Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to build a super cool house using some special friends, our shapes. Are you ready for a fantastic shape adventure? Wonderful! Can you help me find the square? Which shape is the square? It's like a little box with 4 equal sides. Fantastic! Now let's use our square to build the base of our house. The foundation is set. Which shape is the triangle? Can you help me find the triangle? It has 3 sides, just like a slice of pizza. Can you spot it? Great job! Now let's place the triangle on the top of the square. That makes our roof. Wow, our house is taking shape. But wait, we're not done. Let's grab our third shape, the rectangle. It's like a stretched out square. Which shape is the rectangle? Awesome job! Now let's use the rectangle to make the door. Our house is looking fantastic. And our last shape is a circle. Can you tell me which shape is the circle? Let's see. A circle is round and smooth, just like a wheel. You guessed it, but come on, that was pretty easy. Let's use our circle to make our door handle. Wow, look, our house is complete. Something's missing. I know, let's use our shapes to add to our image. Squares. I know, squares would be perfect for windows. Now what do you think we should use the big yellow circle for? Yes, we can make it the sun. Now if you have a fireplace in your house, what do you need on top of the roof? Yes, you need a chimney. So we can use a rectangle to create our chimney. Now as you can see, we have 2 more rectangles. I wonder what we can use those for. Oh, I know! We can combine the rectangles along with the triangles and we can make trees. Perfect! Now all that we have left are the tiny circles. What can we create with those circles? Do you know? I'll give you a clue. They're white and they float in the sky. Yes, clouds! We can create clouds with those circles. So let's recap. We built an amazing house today using 4 fantastic shapes: the square, the triangle, the rectangle, and the circle. Shapes are so versatile and fun. If you want to keep experimenting with shapes, pull out your pencil and paper and let's see what amazing designs that you create. Good luck! If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more learning adventures. See you next time!